Kaluma, Steve Belmont, and Donate. It's check ball. He's good on the serve. Serve is good. Oh! Service for number 17. On the jump serve, Kaupe. It's outside by Kaupe. He scores 2-4. Jersey number 17 from Barangay San Antonio. Serve is good, but Acre set the ball on Paris. Donatre, Kaupe combination and steal by Kaluma. Steal by Titiberto. It's a chance ball. Paris and Kaupe combination. Ano combination? At tinatawag. Paris, Kaupe, and Belmonte. Wala pa silang nagpili. Kaupe on the serve. Still by the libero. Drop ball and still by Kaupe. Donatre. Rapido. It's check ball. He scores 6-2 Bayan in the first set of action of the last game. It's Kaupe on the dump serve. Sakarain and still Donatre. Rapido attack. It's Kaluma for the steal. Outside by number 17. Happy viewing, SK German Josephine Ramos of SMDP. Sakarain rejected. Again inside. He scores 8-2. Game. Back to the action. It's Kaupe on the jump serve. Still by the libero. Kalumag set the ball. Satarain! Kalumag once again to number 2, Janay! Kalumag back ball. And still by the libero. Dolate, quick! And still by the libero. Kalumag Satarain! Oh no! It's a miscommunication coming from SMVP. He scores 3-8 in favor of SMVP. Jersey number 11 on the service is good. Is an ace by number 11 from Barangay San Antonio. Once again on the jump serve, service good. Dolate, combination to Belmonte. Kaupe for the steal. Rabito is over. Out. Side. Oh, Villanueva is watching. Sayang naman. Sayang Villanueva. Kulang. Rabito. Kalumag for the steal. Drop ball, Satarain. Are you okay? Wait. Nice. Outbalance si Satarain. Sadya. Stop mo na. Medyo madulas yata ito. Medyo ba? Relax na. Medyo madulas na. Baka basa sa patos. It's Paris. His man is on the serve. Quick! It's Dolate. Belmonte attack, but that is over by Belmonte.
Ayaw na naman yun.
On the jump serve by number 4 or number 3. Rapido attack! What a strong attack by Rapido. Magi? It's Rapido on the jump serve. Kalumag. He scores 10-7. 3-point on SMVP. Captain Brian for the first set. Number 02, Dolate once again in the middle of action. Kaupe. His score is 11-7. Parang pag-cute sa Kaupe. Lumit pa rin naman sa gitna. Belmonte on the jump serve. Still Kalumag set the ball! Oh! Outside! Sakto. Sakto yung mga bitaw. Hindi naglo-loading. Belmonte na mo. And still Kalumag. Dolate set the ball! Rapido attack! What a strong attack by Jersey number 4, Rapido. He scores 13-7 by 13-7 for the first set. Yun. It's not over by Belmonte. Jersey number 7 on the service for San Antonio. Jump service good. Dolate is a quick to Belmonte. Here comes number 17 attack. And inside by Madeja. Ayun. Isabel. the serve. San Antonio number 7. Dolatre, grab ball. Madeja once again, and still Rapido. Jump serve, and still. And Belmontes and the ball. Kaube! Liumabot. He scores 10-13 by 13. Still, jersey number 7. On the jump serve, still by the libero, Dolatre. Rapino! Out! Out! 13-11 down to 2. Or 11-13 down to 2. Jersey number 7, Belmonte. Here comes Kaube attack! What opposite attack coming from Kaube. He scores 14-11. Back to 3-point lead. Back to 3-point lead. It's Kaube on the serve, Madeja! He got inside by Madeja. Kasa. Ayan, babalik na si Sataray. It's Sataray to take back. It's Barrio is out. Kaluma on the service lane. For Barangay San Antonio, Kaluma on the jump serve, still by the libero, Dolatre. Here comes Kaube denied. Dolatre for the steal. Oh no! Oh no! Down to 1 Bayan in the first set of action. Down to 1, 14-13. It's Kalumag once again. Nanibero for the steal. Here comes Rapino! Down the line, they got inside. Back to 15-13 Bayan. Kapit lang in the first set. It's still Dolatre on the jump serve. Still. Set the ball, Sataray. It's outside. 16-13 or 13-16. Back to 3-point lead by SMDP. It's Dolatre. Still by the libero. Quick! Naku, natingin. Kita. 16-14, 16-14. Down to 2. It's Dolatre. It's Kaube on the jump serve. Still by the libero. Kalumag set the ball. Sataray. Kalumag once again to number 2. Deny. Kalumag grab ball. And still by the libero. Dolatre quick. And still by the libero. Kalumag Sataray. Oh no! It's a miss. Communication coming from SMDP. He scores 3-8 in favor of SMDP. Jersey number 11 on the service is good. Is an ace by number 11 from Barangay San Antonio. Once again on the jump serve, serve is good. Dolatre, combination to Belmonte. Looking for the steal. Rabino is over. Out. Out. Side. Oh, Villanueva is watching. Sayang naman. Sayang Villanueva. Kulang. Rabino! Kalumang for the steal. Drop ball, Sandra Ray. Are you okay? Wait. Nice. Outbalance si Sandra Ray. Ajak. Sapo na. Medyo madulas yata ito. Medyo ba? Relax na. Medyo madulas na. Baka basa sa patos. It's Paris. It's Paris on the serve. Quick! It's Lunate. Belmonte attack, but that is over by Belmonte.
Ayaw na naman yan.
On the jump serve by number 4 or number 3. Rabino attack! What a strong attack by Rabino. Magi? It's Rabino on the jump serve. Kalungan. He scores 10-7. Now to 3-point on SMVP. Capitan Brian for the first set. Number 02, Dolacre once again in the middle of action. Kaupe. His score is 11-7. Parang pag-cute sa Kaupe. Lumit pa rin naman sa gitna. Belmonte on the jump serve. Still Kalungan set the ball! Oh! Outside! Sakto. Sakto yung mga bitaw. Hindi naglo-loading. Belmonte na mo. And still Kalungan. Dolacre set the ball! Rabino attack! What a strong attack by jersey number 4, Rabino. He scores 13-7 by 13-7 for the first set. Yun. It's not over by Belmonte. Jersey number 7 on the service for San Antonio. Jump service good. Dolacre is a quick to Belmonte. Here comes number 17 attack. And inside by Madeja. Ayun. Isabel. Once again on the serve, San Antonio number 7. Dolacre, grab ball. Madeja once again, and still Rabino, jump serve, and still. And Belmonte sends the ball. Kaupe! Hindi umabot. He scores 10-13 by 13. Still, jersey number 7. On the jump serve, still by the libero, Dolacre. Rabino! Out! Out! 13-11 down to 2. Or 11-13. to 2. Jersey number 7, Belmonte. Here comes Kaupe attack. What opposite attack coming from Kaupe. He scores 14-11. Back to 3-point lead. Back to 3-point lead. It's Kaupe on the third, rather. Madeja! He got inside by Madeja. Kasa. Ayan, babalik na si Sataray. It's Sataray to take back. It's Mario is out. Kaluma on the service lane. For Barangay San Antonio, Kaluma on the jump serve. Steal by the libero, Donate. Here comes Kaupe denied. Donate for the steal. Oh no! Oh no! Down to 1 Bayan in the first set of action. Down to 1, 14-13. It's Kaluma once again. Nanibero for the steal. Here comes Rapino! Down the line, they got inside. Back to 15-13 Bayan. Kapit lang in the first set. It's still Donate on the serve. Still. Set the ball, Sataray. It's outside. 16-13 or 13-16. Back to 3-point lead by SMDP. It's Donate. Still by the libero. Quick. Naku, natingin. Kita. 16-14, 16-14, down to 2. It's Donate. It's on the jump serve, still, then wanted drop, Alice, still, Sataray, Rapino! Power attack, coming from Rapino. It's Kaupe. Still nakakit pero talo na quick! Umilingan kay Panis. Tinalayan si Panis din. Good! Still, check the ball, another quick! Out! It's outside! Sayang naman, no touch. Outside. It's a range! Another quick! I love this game! Yan ang laban? Kasama yun sa laban? Home court? Home court na San Antonio eh. Home court eh. Kaya yung mga patamay-tanay, wala ng trastokan, ha? Walang trastokan, ha? Kailan mo natin tataray. Huwag na magka-trastok. Here comes Aluman, number 3! Yeah! Pwede ganun! Pwede lang ganun, ha? Yeah, pwede ganun. Pero mga trastok, hindi kasama. It's Saturday! Oh, the service is good. Bulate! Belmonte! Eh, jowa yan? Kabilang mo ba? Kabilang mo ba daw, jowa? It's Rufino. It's outside. Ayan. Kaya yung nagpapaganda ng laban. Is Dolatre, Belmonte deny. Dolatre, Belmonte, again and again. And it's kay Bob Belmonte. Oy. Nag-ahang ng mic ko, ha? Nag-ahang na. Nag-ahang. Mayroon bang baterya yan? It's Belmonte. Drop. And still, Rabino chance ball by Barangay San Antonio. Maneja outside. 22-18 or 18-22 Bayan. Kapit lang. It's Belmonte to Maneja. Kaluma. He's a chance ball. Oh, no ball! Oh! What a move! Coming from the center. Dolatre. Pick up a match point by a match point. Oh, still last two. Last two. Oh, yeah.
Ano ba yung uwi ka na daw. Ma.
Kaube! Still! Kaube! Walang klastungan na walang klastungan. O kaya mga mataray mo kung walang klastungan. Don't say bad words. It's denied! But outside is a match point. 24-20 Bayan in the first set of action. The number 11 on the serve for SMDT outside. 24-21, 20 pa yan. It's Kaluma on the service ready. It's Kaluma on the jump serve, still by the libero. And denied by Madeja! Si Kimi, nakikisabay si Kimi, oh. Saan ka ba? San Antonio ka? Okay. Sino ba jowa ko? Still by Belmonte. Finishing! Yun! Oh, the finishing! Players on the right, players on the right. Please, requesting Players. Yeah. Okay. Ibang klase yun. Happy line for set 2. Ito si Lorde. Lorde. Yan, sige Lorde. May kaman. Oh, si Posti. Posti. It's the left hand, still by the libero. And open! Check! Outside. Outside, sorry. Outside. It's outside. Donate on the serve. Jump serve, short. 1-all. Kalumag on the serve. It's Kalumag on the jump serve, still by the libero. Donate. Postigo. Kalumag set. Satarain. And got inside by Satarain. He scores 2-1. He scores 2-1 in favor of San Antonio. It's Kalumag on the jump serve, still. Donate Acuit coming from Paris. It's 2-all. It's Kauben on the service from the jump serve, still by Matea. Kalumag, Satarain! Gumana na si Satarain. He scores 3-2. Kapit lang. Donate. Belmonte! He got inside by Belmonte. He scores 3-all. Jump serve by Paris. Kalumag, Madeja. Postigo for the steal. Another chance ball. Ilorde. Donate to Postigo. He got inside. This is acting na si Madela. Oh, Ohashi! Ayan na, si Ohashi. Magkakamay ko. Ohashi. Oh! No! From the jump serve. It scores 4-5. It's Postigo, still by the libero. It's a chance ball. Quick! Kalumag, grab! Still by Kalumag. Another steal. Quick by Belmonte. Kalumag The home court advantage by Barangay San Antonio. Rapido! Opposite attack coming from Rapido. 6-5. It's Belmonte on the service lane. It's Belmonte. Service is the libero for the team. Kalulong si Mateja. And still. Another check ball. Quick. And still. He scores 7-5, scores 7-5. 2.8 by SMDP. Belmonte on the service day. Service is good. And still by Ohashi, another check. Oh. Check ball by the libero. He scores 8-5. Back to 3-point lead. He scores 8-5. Belmonte on the serve. On the jump service good. And still the libero. Mateja deny and still Sakarine. Another quick from Rapido. He scores 9-5. It's Belmonte on the service. On the jump service good, still by the libero. Saturday running attack. And still Kauben deny. Kaluma in the middle, but outside of Mr. Mateo. He scores 10-5. 10-5. Belmonte on the serve is an ace. His score is 11-5. Once again on the serve and check ball. 7 big point lead. It's Belmonte. Once again, still Badeja. And still another still Kaluma. Saturday. They get inside by Saturday. Jersey number 02 on the service good. The left hand is not over by Rabino. Score 7-12. Still on number 02 on the serve. Still by the libero. The left hand open. Chance ball. It's a chance ball. Deny. Kaube, still by the libero. Kaluma! Again, inside by Kaluma. Down to 4. Apat na lang ang abante ng SMDP. Still on jersey number 02 from Barangay San Antonio on the serve is an ace! Is Silver students go on the jump serve once again. Still almost. Chance ball by Barangay San Antonio. Chance ball. Rob Ohashi. Kaupen denied by Kalumang. Oh, down to 2 Bayan. Kapit na for the set number 2. Almost as an ace with a spot. Palapas na yun eh. Number 0 is an ace. Down to 1. Layo ng inaabot. Ayun na. Palakas talaga. 13-11 Bayan, 13-11. Rabino on the service. Jump serve, still. Good! Almost. Bilis ng mata ni Kalumang. Oh! Bolatre! Sayang eh. Na-open eh. It's 14-11 Bayan, 14-11 back to 3-point lead for the set number 2. Out! Out! It's 12-14. It's 12-14, down to 2. Ohashi on the service good. On the jump service good. Received by Belmonte, set the ball. Kaupe denied. And still, Kaupe, chance ball by Barangay San Antonio. Belmonte, Arame. Ilote is checked ball. It's 15-12, 15-12. Back to the 3-point lead. Dolatre on the serve, on the jump serve still. Madeha, attack! Down the line! He got inside by Madeha. It's Kalumang on the service lane for Barangay San Antonio. Kalumang on the jump service good. Received by Belmonte. Is an ace! Coming from number 1 jersey, Kalumang. Down to 1. Kapitan in the set number 2. It's Kalumang once again on the serve. Serve is good. Still by the libero. Dolatre to Kaupe. Kaupe is over. Chance ball by Barangay San Antonio. Nagmamadali. Matea Drapo! He got inside by Madeha. Oh, it's all 15. It's all 15. Kapatid and Mexico. It's Kalumang off the serve. Dolatre denied once again by Ilote. Posting the chance ball. Kalumang, Sutter Reigns in! Tumama eh. Ang galing na nag-LC na yan. Tumama eh. 16-15. Kaupe on the jump serve. Still by number 0 to Kalumang. Here comes Madeha denied! Outside! Sayang. Hindi pumasok eh. It's 16 all. A second deadlock of the game. 16 all. It's Madeha on the serve. On the jump serve is good. It's hit by Belmonte. Dolatre. Here comes Rabino. Egan. In another Postigo. Change favor once again. 17-16. Falis on the service lane. Jump serve by Falis. Still Kalumang. Saturday grab ball. Dolatre. Quick out. It's outside by Belmonte. No look up. It's a no-look shot, not outside of Belmonte. Ilote on the serve. Service good, still by the libero. Postigo, deny! Deny by Ohashi! Ibang klase talaga si Ohashi. Wala pa siya dyan. Miracle. Pag nandiyan pa si Miracle. It's end of there. Once again. Oh, change paper na pala. Two rounds. Ragino. And still by number 02. Kalumang nagmamadali! Alam na agad eh. Check zone. Timeout SFTP! The home court, San Antonio. Is Elote on the service lane. Almost. Then Monte outside. Now home court advantage Barangay San Antonio. Wala pa si Tate. It's Elote once again on the serve. Elote for the steal. Here comes Donate. Postigo denied, but it's not over by Postigo. It's 21-17, back to 4-point lead. It's a 4-point lead, Bayan. Elote, once again, on the service lane, Kapit Bayan. It's Raube, set the ball by Donate. Inabot pa. 21-18. 21-18, down to 3, Is Postigo on the serve. Oh, inside, kita. 21-19, down to 2-point lead, Kapit lang. Postigo still on the service lane, Kapit Bayan. Postigo on the serve, still by the libero. Kalula, and still by Sakurain, running attack. It's a chance ball by Monte, still by the libero. Kalula, Sakurain! Ingat inside! The wide is... The crowd is getting wide. Sakurain. And still by the libero. And still in the middle! Matera! Last 2 points! Nangangamoy setri pa? Nangangamoy setri pa, but that is over. As Sakurain set the ball, Belmonte na It's a match point, Bayan! It's a match point! The home court advantage of Barangay San Antonio. It's Sakurain, as still by Kaube, Donate, Belmonte! It's inside! Xavier, our gymnast. Ayan, babalik. Si Rabino, back again. Terrano out. Belmonte on the serve. Kapit Bayan is a match point. Still, Matera Kaluma. Ano ba yan? Sayang naman. Still, a match point. 54-21. Hindi na kaintindihan. It's Belmonte once again on the serve. Service good, Matera for the steal. Kaluma, trap, still by the libero. Kaube, it's still 24-22. Charm. Sige.
Bakla yung dumarating eh. Come on, come on. Achika, chika, chika. Chicharon.
Ayun, buhay na yung cellphone mo na narinig.
Is set. Number 3. Let's start.
Huwag na kayo magpaabot ng 4 ah.
Buti na lang dumating ang lock charm na para kay San Antonio. Okay.
Last set na yata.
Cherry
Last set.
AKA really. Still by the libero. Kaupe! Solid ang binigay ni Kaupe sa
Umaway kayo,
pag-umpisa.
umaway kayo.
1-0.
Tapusin nila. Dire-diretso. Tapusin mo na yan.
Bulate on the service day. Service is not over. Madeja on the service day. On the jump serve, Belmonte. Denied by Elortes there. Kaluma, Sakarain is not over. Kaupe on the service day. Still Madera or Madeja is Bulatre. Postigo inside.
Huwag niyo sayangin ang time.
Kaupe once again on the service day. Still Kaluman on number 02.
Galing oh.
Still Belmonte. Set the ball by Kaluman to number 02. Belmonte for the steal. Belmonte denied. It's denied by Elorte.
Galing, galing.
Ayun, si Elorte na. Sa ibang klase si Elorte. Elorte na on the serve. Almost. Belmonte still by Madeja. Number 02. Garay! Oh, tatay ni Garay! Ay, bagay na bagay. Garay. Yun, no?
Ako ka na lang daw.
Tatay, Garay. Parang si Riri. Maglalaro si Riri. Denied! Denied! By Ohashi, denied! Isang matay si Ohashi.
Tatay, nasa harap.
His score is 4-3. His score is 4-3. Parang si Riri. Tumatalino si Riri. Is the one on the jump serve. Still Donate. Belmonte! Ayun, no? Hello! Hello! His score is 4-all. His score is 4-all. Rapid fire for the third set. It's Paris. This one. Wait lang. May basa, baka madulas. Yun. Wait lang.
Pero magaganda yung shoes niyo pamunas.
Okay?
Yan ang bago ngayon.
Alright. Nakulang ni Amy. Iba talaga yung kapangyarihan ni Amy. Kaya nakapangyarihan ng lupa na nanggaling na lupa, Amy. Still by Madeja. Grab ball. Catch ball. Still by Catherine. for the set 3. Kapitang Osligo on the service lane. For SMD on the jump service good, stayed by the libero. Kalumag now, El Paso 02, and stayed by another stage, Ohashi! Ibang klase talaga si Ohashi. He scores 6-5, Kapit lang kaya for the set 3. Number 02, Caraya on the serve, stayed by the libero. Is stayed by Dolatre. Here comes Belmonte! It's not over. He scores 7-5. Ayun na. Ang ganda ng cleavage ni Kimi ah. Walang kabiyak-biyak. And still, Dolatre. Belmonte! Egan inside. Solid na binitawan ni Belmonte sa pagdikatan.
Magaling yung server.
It's Belmonte once again on the serve. Serve is good. Mateja for the steal. Here comes Kalumag. Kalumag to Mateja. Mateja! Check program. Ohashi on the service lane. Jump serve. It's good. Still, Dolatre. Oh! Hindi hinabot, pero Bino, ang kanyang lipat. He scores 9-6. 3-point lead by the home court. San Antonio. Still,
Superman!
on the jump serve by Ohashi. Kauben! It got inside by Kauben.
Ube? Halaya? Halaya.
He's rubbing on the service lane. Jump serve, saved by Bandeja. Kalumag set the ball in. Norte! Inside! Iba na talaga ang matakad eh. It's Kalumag on the service lane. 10-7. Jump service good. Rabino steal. Dolatre set the ball. Ube! Once again! He got inside. Bukas na bukas. Takpak. He scores 8-10. Dolatre. Good. Kalumag. Mateja! And still by Belmonte. Still Kalumag. Mateja. Ball! They got inside by Mateja. With the combination cheering squad. It's Mateja. Here. It's Mateja once again. Still on Belmonte. Denied by Garay. Still Dolatre. Posting on the denied by Elote. Yun si Elote. It's verse 12-8. Kapit Bayan. It's 12-8.
In favor.
But don't say bad words, eh? It's outside. It's 9-12, 9-12. Kapitan Bayan for the set. Number 2. It's Kaupe. Oh! It's an ace!
Naantok na ba kayo? Kape tayo.
Ayun, si Kauling. O, Kauling yun eh.
San Martin.
Yung si Kimi Kauling.
Pak! Pak! Parang
Denay! Harris! His score is 11-12. His score is 11-12. Not to one. It's Kaupe. Saturday! Still! Postigo! Ay! Umento na! Si Postigo! Hindi ko agad na lang si Postigo. Umipin. Umento na si Postigo. His score is 12 all. Kapit ng bayan. 12 all. Kaupe.
Ube halaga.
Jason! Nadali ka ni Kauling. Si Kimi. Si Kimi, si Kauling yan. Uling. It's change board by change board. Diba? What happened with the Nueva? Default. It's default. Maybe. Oh, SK German. Josephine. Good pala. His score is 30-12. Score is 30-12. It's Ilote on the service lane, on the jump service good. Bemont, Delatre, Harris! It's a quick by Harris. He scores 13 all.
Galing. Parehong magaling.
It's Harris now on the jump service good. Still by Matera. Caray, still. Chance ball, Saturday! It's 14-13, back to 1 point in by Barangay San Antonio. Kaupe. Mosquitos in by Saturday. Chance ball by SMVP. Is not over. 15-13. Kapit na bayan, 2.8. Barangay San Antonio, the home court. Still Kaupe. Chance ball. Kaluma, quick, deny. Still Belmonte. Delatre, quick, it's inside. By Ravino. Is what a combination play coming from Delatre, Ravino. Postigo on the serve. Serve is good. Still by the level. Kaluma. Karay. Outside. 16-14. Serve is good. Kaupe. Still. Mababa. 17-14. 3-point lead by the home court. Barangay San Antonio. 17-14. 3-point lead. It's Garay on the jump serve. It's service error. It's Belmonte on the service lane. Belmonte on the jump serve. Serve is good. Garay for the steal. Here comes Madea deny. And still Kaluma. Madea! Again inside by Madea. Meriel to Ohashi. 7 in, 11 out. Meriel is in on the service day. Service is good. Still by the libero, Dolatre. Inside. Down the line. Inside. It's 18-16. Ravina on the service day. Service is an ace. Nadali ang dalawa. 17, 18. Kalumang Madeha inside! Back to 2-point lead, Bayan. Kapit lang. Kalumang on the service technique. Jump service good. Still Dolatre. Combination with Kaupe. Dolatre. Kaupe drop ball. Still by the libero, Madeha deny! He scored for SMPB, 18-19. A 1-point lead ball game by San Antonio. Dolatre, once again, service late. Service is good. Still by Madeha, Kalumang to Saturday grab ball. And still by Ben Arate Kaupe. Kaupe now. And still by Try. Kaluma. Saturday deny. His score is 90. Oh! Kapit lang Bayan for the last set of action. Dolatre. Service is good. Karay for the steal. Here comes Madeha. Still. Kaupe! And ball! Time out, Paraguays. His buzzers now back to the game. It's Dolatre on the serve. Service good, still by Karay. Madeha, chance ball. Kaupe! Deny. Postigo back ball. Kalumang. Madeha deny, still good. The ball. Dolatre, Kaupe that ball. Still good. It's outside 21-19. It's a 2-point lead by SFBP. It's Dolatre on the serve. Still. Quick by Elorde. Nakapakipot si Postigo doon. 22-19 Bayan, kapit na.
Come on! Mamaya hulog na sa akin si Ryan. Hulog na po sa akin
is 22-19.
Sa barangay. Magreklamo.
It's Donatre on the serve.
Huwag mong pigilin.
22-19.
Pak. Pak. Parang pak. Pak.
Rain! Donatre Postigo! Pagkakasi talaga laway ng Postigo. Last two!
Pinapagbigyan, please. Ano, mag-ready na ako?
Donatre. Sit. It's a match point.
Last one. Last one. Siguraduhin mo yan.
Still Donatre.
Good luck. Good luck, Poknat.
Kayo nga. Quick.
Wah! Sabi niya.
By Elorde.
Habol pa.
20-24.
Siya pa yung ano eh. Gina G.
Ala, pansit nga.
Almost. Donatre.
Patay.
Ayun lang. Malayo eh.
Hoy,
24-21.
papahabol pa ba
Still
kayo?
a match point.
Ano yan? Mga gupit na yung bagyo. Uwi na tayo.
Yes. Madera. Jump service good.
Ada!
Okay, orders in line. Players, line. Orders, linya muna. And I congratulate SMB for the win of this game.
Very good.
Okay, players,
No,
shake hands, nice game.
nice.
Nice game, nice game, nice game.